Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking what's preventing selection. Open the document and confirm it isn't read-only or marked as final, because Word disables selection for protected or final files. Next, switch views to draft or print layout to reset display rendering. This often restores selection. Also, close other programs that might hold the file handle. Once done, save a copy to a new file name. Making a duplicate helps isolate whether the file itself or Word state is causing the lock. Now focus on internal Word settings. Open Review, choose Protect, and turn off Restrict Editing or remove any form controls that lock selection. This directly re-enables text selection. If that fails, go to File Options Add-ins and disable COM or Template add-ins one at a time because a rogue add-in can intercept selection events. To test quickly, restart Word in safe mode using Run, WinWord /safe. In safe mode, most add-ins are bypassed, confirming whether extensions cause the issue. Finish by repairing and restoring Word's core files. Close Word, open Control Panel, choose Programs, then Quick Repair. If that doesn't fix it, run online repair to replace corrupted components. Make sure Office is updated because patches often resolve selection bugs. Rebuild normal. DOTM by renaming it and letting Word recreate defaults. That resets customizations that might block selection. If problems persist, copy the document's content into a new file. Troubleshooting tip. If selection still fails, check file storage. Network locks or permissions can mimic this behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.